Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my reaction videos. Today I'm going to react to Demon Slayer Mugen Train episode 1. In 3, 2, 1. Aniplex, Shueisha, and Ufotable. Oh, that's creepy. So I assume that when Rengoku was summoned, was ordered to, you know, get rid of the demon on the train. I don't think it was Enmu since the beginning. It must be another demon. Oh, is that his crow or raven? I miss him so much. He's adorable. He eats a lot. Aww. I bet all of the restaurant, like owner or the chef, must adore him. Like from the way he behaves and the way he eats. The music is so good. Why can't we see this in theater too? I adore him. I bet that's red bean bun. Fuku? Ampang. So she believes in demon. He talks like Shinobu. Oh, he doesn't really care about what people think of him, right? Don't waste your food. She looks just like her grandma. Aww. I knew it. When I saw it in the trailer, I knew that what he was carrying was definitely food. Oh, he's so nice. The animation looks so good. Like the train movement and the smoke. I think I have one of those. I think it's a steam locomotive. Oh. That's still suspicious. Why? He's gonna jump and taking his food with him. Don't waste your food. So beautiful. I love train. Oh, this is so beautiful. Mugen列車編. Wow. He's smart. Okay, we never saw this one before. Ah. Okay. How could you not love him? He's so considerate. Oh no. So this demon didn't eat its prey. He just tortured and killed them. That's why they thought he's like a murderer. Just slashed them and left them there. Didn't even eat them. Oh, she's the one they were talking about at the restaurant. Yeah, she's still alive. I feel like that's a good analogy for something else. Oh no! Cut his arm off. Yeah, smart. That's smart. Aww, poor boy. This guy has the similar tattoo as Akasa, so I guess he also a criminal before he was turned into a demon. Oh, the animation is so cool. They're always on foot. Well, I guess that's how he moves. So it's morning already. Wow. He didn't even get any sleep at all. I wonder how long has he been awake? Because the night before that he also have to stay awake to, you know, rescue that girl that got slashed. Oh, grandma! There's nowhere to run. I hope grandma is okay. I thought he already killed the grandma. What did he think just like rush towards him just a moment ago? A train? I thought he's gonna say you're already dead. His dad? His dad? I bet his dad was one, also a respectable person. I think out of all the Hashira, only Rengoku and Mitsuri are the only two who, the reason for them to become a demon slayer was not because someone in their family was killed by a demon. Do we know his name? There's another one. Not Enmo? Another one? Like the third one? Or fourth one? He didn't even get any sleep at all. Beef bento. They're so tiny compared to him. Food hashira. Tabemono hashira. As if we haven't loved him enough. They try to show us how nice of a person he is. The end of season 1. Oh, those kids. Oh, the boy with tuberculosis. He has a lot of fans, I heard. He's not a bad guy. Nobody is actually a bad guy. Not really. Oh, is this what he was eating when Tanjiro and the other two found him? Oh my. Oh, I love him. Get out of the train. Oh. We never know that before. He's a great guy. Even Muichiro. Oni-sama. She kind of looked up to him. Has a good personality. Loves him. He's even. Oh, everyone loves him. Tomioka-san. I wonder if they get along. Oh, he's nice. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.